Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a Wells Fargo account number on app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, all you gotta do is simply open up your particular Wells Fargo app on your phone and now go ahead, sign in with your login details. Now right afterwards you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? You can see you have checking, savings, and Wells Fargo Visa card and account details. Go ahead, tap on the particular account you want to check the number of. Go ahead, tap on it. And then right afterwards you will find all kind of details regarding it, and you can see this option of account info given. You can also choose to tap on this option of routing and details to get the routing number, because in the account info you can see account number. All you gotta do is tap on this view and you will be able to check out your account number of your Wells Fargo account, but you also need your routing number. Then tap on this routing and detail on top right and you will get both your routing number and account number as well. So this is the way for you to find it out. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.